In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zapier with WhatsApp in just 5 minutes. Now, if you've ever wanted to automate your frequent WhatsApp tasks using Zapier, you're in the right place. Let's get started with this simple and effective guide. First, we need to head over to the Zapier website. You can simply type zapier.com into your web browser's address bar, and you'll find yourself on the Zapier homepage. Zapier is an amazing platform that allows you to automate repetitive tasks between 2 or more apps. No programming skills required. Once you're there, the next step is to log in. You'll find the login option at the top right corner of the page. If you don't already have an account, you can register for one. Otherwise, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you're going to be directed to the Zapier home. Here is where the magic begins. On the home screen, you'll want to navigate to the My Apps section. This is where you can see all the applications you've connected to Zapier. To do that, simply locate and click on the My Apps tab. Next up, let's make our way to the App Connections page. This section is vital because it allows you to see all your connected accounts and apps. Anyway, you simply need to click through to App Connections. Once on that page, look for the Add Connection button and click it. This will open up a search bar where you can search for the applications you want to connect with. In the search bar, type in WhatsApp. As you're typing, you should start to see options appearing right below the search bar. When you see WhatsApp pop up, go ahead and click on it. This action will lead you to a screen where you'll add WhatsApp as a connection. You'll be prompted one more time to click Add Connection. So go ahead and do just that. By clicking, you're asking WhatsApp and Zapier to shake hands so they can work together seamlessly. And that's it, folks. You've now linked WhatsApp to Zapier, and you're ready to start creating automated workflows, what Zapier calls Zaps. With your new Zapier WhatsApp connection, the possibilities for automation are endless. Perhaps you'll set up a Zap to send alerts to your WhatsApp when new emails come in, or automate messages to your team when specific tasks are completed. Thanks to this integration, managing your tasks just became a whole lot easier. I hope this was helpful, and now you feel more confident about connecting Zapier with WhatsApp. If you've got any questions or run into any hiccups, feel free to drop them in the comments section. Happy automating!